So there's something about the beginning of the year, or I should say the end of the year, that makes me want to just get rid of all the old stuff from 2018 and start fresh for 2019. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to sign up for my 30-day junk-free January Room Makeover Challenge. This is a free challenge. I've been doing these challenges for at least 4 years. And how it works is you, me, other readers, other viewers, we all get together and we make over one space in our house in 30 days. And then at the end, we get to celebrate because we get to see all the before and after pictures from everybody who participated. That includes me, that includes you, everybody that signs up. And it's really, really fun and it's very motivating. I don't know about you, but I have a hard time getting things done around my house. You're probably thinking that's hard to believe, but it's true. I'm just as busy as you are, and sometimes all the things that I know I need to get done get pushed to the wayside. So for this project, this 30-day room makeover project, we're gonna do it together, and you're gonna get to see everyone's before pictures and everyone's after pictures. And so here's how it'll work. You will sign up for the challenge. Down below, there's a link. Just enter your information in the Google Forms. It doesn't cost you anything to participate. And then you are going to send me your before pictures of the space that you're going to declutter and make over. And then during the weeks, every week you'll get an email from me, and it'll have some inspirational things, some freebies, some checklists, things that you will get to help you with your project. And then at the end, we are all going to celebrate. We have a Facebook group. If you're not on Facebook, you can join the group. We actually post pictures sort of in between pictures as we're working on our projects, and it's so motivating. So if you are somebody who, you've got that room, you've got that basement, that office, that spare bedroom that you've been wanting to convert into a craft room, or maybe just improving your bedroom, this is the challenge for you. Trust me. We have been doing these projects for 4 years, these 30-day room makeover challenges, and people love them. I can tell you there are rooms in my house that I probably never would have touched had it not been for these 30-day room makeover challenges. So I will show you in this video and down below some links to some of those projects that people have completed, but I'm telling you, these challenges are great. So this is my basement. This is where I'm going to be making over. I actually made this space over 4 years ago when I lost my job, and I just needed a place to work, and so I turned my basement into an office area. And it looked really, really good, but it doesn't look like that anymore. I've got discarded furniture. I've got crafting supplies out. I'm so messy. I never clean anything up. So in this challenge, this junk-free 30-day challenge, I'm actually going to be putting some new flooring into my basement. And you saw the wall that I fixed where we had the mold going on, the water leaking, and I replaced the door. So I'll put links below so you can see that. But for the most part, this space is going to be transformed. It's going to look very different, and it's going to look amazing. But I really don't think I would be able to get it done unless I do it with you. So we're going to do it together. So go down below, click that link, join me for the 30-day junk-free January room makeover challenge, and we are going to do it together. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. I'm ready. So you guys have a great New Year's. I'm actually going to get started a little bit early because I got a lot to declutter. I've got cans of paint. I've got, so much stuff. So I'm going to get started a little bit early and cheat, but you are going to get to follow along with me and with everybody else in our 30-day junk-free January challenge. So let's do it.